having a lot of what can I say? Troqueando shit, mamadas, heavy breathing. Los agüiten. We're gonna get through this together. Que mamón soy, la neta, no mames. I can't even believe what the fuck I'm saying. But alright, I'm gonna go get my fucking haircut because I need coffee. I'm gonna go get my coffee, get a haircut. While I'm doing that, I'm gonna put a clip of my truck getting done, and then we're gonna continue to work on my truck because this bitch, I fixed it and fucked it up on the same day. Ain't that about a bitch? Catch y'all right now. So, sorry, fucking late as fuck. Fucking got my haircut. Started working on the paint. Still fucked up, but I mean, for what it is, fucking, you got most of the shit off of the paint. Think it's gonna need a buff still, but we'll get to it when we get to it. Now, got my fucking nalgas in the back. JJ!
What?
So what's up, boy? We're fucking either gonna go drink right now, fucking B-dubs, or the homie want Chick-fil-A, but no mames, the fucking line is hella huge. I ain't about to go no fucking Chick-fil-A line. So, checking right now a little bit, a ver qué pedo. I'm gonna be with these fucking nalgas for a bit.
Hey, Junior. Have you seen the video?
Yeah.
Boy?
Nah. Huh? I was gonna say, we're both drinking, right? You're the only underage guy. How do you feel?
And I did you the bottle right there. Oh, like,
I know, he said he was 21 and shit. She was like, what?
21, 15.
Engage. Hey, but serio, when you hear like,
ILTKP.
that's as bad as that, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, it's pretty
I'm
good.
mad at that shit right.
It's pretty good too.
You're pretty good?
Yeah, like you.
Sheesh. Come on, boy. That's right. That's right. Pinche mad, para no ser pinche loco para la verga. Eat your
For the
carrots.
little boy.
Eat your carrots. Eat your carrots, my boy.
Gotta get him home by 10.
Hey, Dad, you got a curfew, bro?
Hey, man. It is what it is. I was gonna say that too.
Hey, did you sign your permission slip before coming?
I made sure.
You made sure?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
You don't want no beef with the parents.
Yeah, that's true. My bad.
Still trying to go to
Let's
church.
fuck this up.
I
Hey,
say
for the vlog.
I say for the vlog.
For
I
the
say
vlog.
the prez.
No, for the
I
vlog.
say the prez is
Hold
gonna
up.
invite us to food.
We'll let him pick the card, me and you.
Nah, bitch.
Do it for the vlog.
I'm gonna have a baby. I need my money.
Un volado, pues. See who pays. Un volado, yeah.
I'm trying to pay for your food.
Así bien cenados, bien tomados. Damn, this one just wants to box, eh? He called out fucking Chewy. You're just trying to fight, huh? You know, the team.
Bro, I need to fix that tail light. You need to fix it or fucking little shit right here.
I'm trying to truck. I'll be back. Sheesh.
Because I know this one, it like lags it a little bit.
Oh, fuck. Oh, the back. I'm gonna do a little, probably do a whole rundown of my truck tomorrow.
I need I see that when we were on the wheel here.
You already know.
Look at the left side. See, that's why I was like, what the fuck? I need to fix this thing.
Pinche vato, but ¿quién te dice que fucking make your truck a Christmas tree putting out lights and shit?
Hey, man.
Look, all these fucking lights y ya no sirven.
Mine work.
Mine work.
This one. You keep
Which
that
one?
fucking light on, like?
My boy. Fix your light, my boy.
You might get pulled over.
It broke, look. But look, I'm an electrician.
Shit fucking shocks you hella bad.
Hey, I thought you paid like $40 for them. But like $80, something like that.
It broke when they put it in there.
Oh, fuck. Look at this full electrician and everything,
Oh,
man.
bro, work on my truck with
Say less. Say less. Hey, who tried fixing your lights? They've been like that. I know, because every time he would race when we were in the town, this fool fucking looked like he was braking. I was like, is this fool like
I'm brake boosting way.
brake boosting?
The whole way.
Fuck. What'd you say? What'd you say?
Okay, you saw his tail lights on the time.
I wasn't racing them. I was in front of you, bitch. Hey, what the fuck? I wasn't even driving.
Hey, go back in the video. Go back in the video.
Nah, I wasn't even driving. I wasn't driving. I was the Chew, so fuck you. All right?
All I see is the tail light.
Nah, I said when. Damn, hey, Chew's gonna see this and he's gonna be like, oh, you talking shit. Nah, I say when he was racing, all I saw was.
Your tail lights.
You want to see my tail lights?
Let's go on the highway. You want to see your drive shaft fall?
I know, my drive shaft's hitting. Fuck that, I ain't gonna do it.
Shit leaves tab real quick.
Hey, it's not the first time it's done it with. Remember the black one when the drive shaft went on the highway?
Yeah.
We went back for it? Yeah, so I ain't gonna be racing that one no more. Oh, fuck!
You need brighter lights so you put the license plate.
Mira, the LS Ruby fucking plates. Sheesh, I didn't know you fucking change your plates, man.
I'm gonna change them again.
To what? Shit looks tight though. Hey, what does your truck have?
That's all stock, bro.
All stock, ready to run?
It's just a V6.
Just V6?
It's a V6.
Low dollar race or what?
$1? Yeah.
Low dollar race?
There's a couple misfires, but that's about it.
Hey, you only need 6 cylinders to be honest. Well, fuck it. We about to dip. See you later, my boy. Let's dip out. What the fuck is that? It's like, wait, alright, dip out, my boy. A ver, ¿cómo le hacen los youtubers, güey?
No, you told me you're a YouTuber, güey.
I'm a YouTuber? Boy, that's crazy. I don't know, güey. I don't know about all that. Alright, we're going to dip out, start driving home because we drunk. We're not drunk. You ain't drunk. No. We're happy hourly. Happy hourly. Alright, yeah, so we're going to drive home and call it a night because fuck it. Fucking nice. I don't watch it.
Yo, what the fuck? Get out of my room.
You're fucking weird, dude.
Get the fuck out of my room.
Whatever. I'm in my little sister's room. About to call her at night. I already locked up the truck. Got it all ready. Shut the fuck. Oh my. Why are you so? You're so cringe, bro.
Bro, you're fucking old.
I'm old.
Literally in my fucking room. Like, get out.
You're a boomer.
The door. Just fucking leave. Dude, like, literally go outside. Do it in your truck.
No.
Why are you sitting in my room?
because it bothers you and makes you uncomfortable, and that makes me laugh. What's up, Melissa?
Melissa, don't interact with
Hey,
this.
put the camera to your face.
Don't interact with this, Melissa.
I'm ugly. That's what you'll get.
What the fuck? Alright, cool. Y'all are cool. Nice Saturday night. Alright, whatever. I'm gonna make a separate video for the fucking truck rundown. But for tonight, that's it. Fucking my first vlog. I don't know if it's good or not. You let me know. But what do they say in these situations? It's like,
Hey, what we got?
like, share it, subscribe if you want to.
Nah, bro, you're sounding insecure.
I am insecure.
No, you got
This is hard for me.
Do it with confidence, baby.
You know what? Subscribe.
Hit
Don't.
that like button.
Alright, just do it yourself. Do it for
No,
me.
I'm
Yeah?
kidding.
Do it. Do it.
I'm kidding.
Just
I'm
do it.
kidding. It's a joke. It's a prank. No,
do
no,
it.
Go. It's your shit. It's your.
Well, bitch, you're fucking
I'm
obviously
sorry.
interrupting. You don't like the way I'm doing
kidding.
it.
I'm joking.
God.
I don't know. I thought you were gonna edit this shit. I don't know. I was like.
I'm gonna put all this shit in. Alright, like, share, subscribe. Come back for the next video. Let's get it.